Here we are to the GOAT's ultimate practice test, and we finally have a calculator section. The worst and most annoying part about the calculator section of any AP exam is you probably don't need a calculator for most of them. For example, this one, you don't need a calculator for. So I'm not going to pull out the calculator. Why do they pull it on the calculator section? I have no idea. I'm not the Lord of AP. But a turtle is walking away from her home at a constant pace for 5 minutes. The turtle then stops for a short time to rest. After resting, the turtle spots food and moves at a rate 2 times faster than before, reaching her destination at 10 minutes. So without looking at this, you have a turtle walking slowly. At 5 minutes, it stops, and then it doesn't give us a specific time, but what it says, it goes 2 times faster. So you're going to try to make a line that's 2 times steeper, and then all of a sudden you hit 10. So which one of these has a regular line going to 5, stops for a little bit of time, and then has a double-looking steepness line, and then stops at 10? You look like you are going to 5, stops, but this line is the same as that line. That slope is the same as that slope, or at least it looks like it. Like if I were to take that line right there and compare it, yeah, they're the same. So you are not it close, but you are not it. You are going at a regular pace, stops, and that looks like it's double. That looks like it's double. I mean, you go from 0 to 5 in like 5 minutes. So, like 1 foot per second, 1 mile per hour, whatever it is. Okay, then all of a sudden you go from like 7 to 11 or whatever pretty quickly. So you have promise. So I'm going to hold on to you for a second. C has me going really fast, stopping at 5, and then slowing down because this slope is obviously not as steep as that slope. And then D kind of looks like the same thing, but I'm just going to ignore D because D has me saying that I stop at like 3 minutes or whatever, and this has me stopping at 5 minutes. So D's no good. So yeah, B is the correct answer for this guy. Again, where was the calculator for this problem? Nowhere. Nowhere to be seen. But, that's the way these AP tests go sometimes. They say you should use a calculator or can use a calculator, but you don't need to use the calculator. So hope this helps.